Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss about the NEET-UG 2026 syllabus, that is the official syllabus given by the NMC. So let's begin. First we'll see the physics section. The first unit is physics and measurement, second kinematics, laws of motion, work, energy and power, rotational motion, gravitation, properties of solids and liquids, the thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases. The next is oscillations and waves. So the class 12 part is electrostatics, current, electricity, magnetic effects of current and magnetism, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents, EM waves, optics, that is ray optics and wave optics, dual nature of matter and radiation, atoms and nuclei, the electronic devices, that is semiconductors, and the experimental skills. So these are the topics for physics. Now let's move on to the chemistry part. The first is physical chemistry. The chapters are some basic concepts of chemistry, atomic structure, chemical bonding and molecular structure, the chemical thermodynamics, solutions, equilibrium, redox reactions and electrochemistry, chemical kinetics. Let's move on to the inorganic chemistry. The first is periodic classification, P block elements, D and F block elements, and the coordination compounds. These are the 4 chapters of inorganic chemistry. Now let's move on to the organic chemistry. The first chapter is purification and characterization of organic compounds, some basic principles of organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, organic compounds containing halogens, organic compounds containing oxygen, that is the alcohol, phenols and ethers, the aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acids. Next is organic compounds containing nitrogen, amines and diazonium salts, biomolecules and the principles related to the practical chemistry. So this is all about the chemistry section. Now let's move on to the biology section. The first unit is diversity in living world. The chapter is what is living the living world, the biological classification, the plant kingdom classification, the animal kingdom. The second unit is structural organization in animals and plants. The first chapter is morphology in flowering plants. The second chapter is animal tissues and the obviously different systems of an insect, that is cockroach and frog. Both you have to do both the topics. The next is cell structure and function, the cell theory, the biomolecules chapter and the cell division chapter. The plant physiology, the 3 chapters are photosynthesis, respiration and plant growth and development. Human physiology, the chapters are breathing, respiration, body fluids and circulation, excretory products and their elimination, locomotion and movement, neural control and coordination, the chemical coordination and regulation. Next unit is reproduction. The chapters are sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, and the reproductive health. Next unit is genetics and evolution. The chapters are principles of inheritance, the molecular basis of inheritance, and the evolution. Next unit is biology and human welfare. The chapters are human health and disease and the microbes in human welfare. Next unit is biotechnology and its applications. The first chapter is principles and process of biotechnology and the second chapter is applications of biotechnology. The last unit is ecology. The first chapter is organisms and environment, second is ecosystem, and the third is biodiversity and its conservation. So these are the chapters included in the biology section. So this is all about the NEET-UG 2026 syllabus. In the next video, we'll deal about the important topics of every chapter that we need to know for the exam point of view. So this is all for the video.